Welcome to day 2 of the Polish wedding in New Zealand, where Lumi looks stunning, but of course I look way better.
You only have t-shirt and pants.
Yeah, t-shirt and pants. Okay, we're going this way. Anyway, today is Poprawiny. Poprawiny means fix it. It's basically whatever alcohol, whatever food is left over, you're supposed to eat it. But because obviously Aussie and New Zealand weddings aren't buffets, so we're just going to the pub for nibblies and more drinking. I think a few people are a little bit under the weather, especially Lumi. She's hungover as anything.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, right. Stay with us. Subscribe, like and share. Ta? Oh, mum and dad. Dad's hungover.
They're jealous.
Yeah, jealous of the cool people, right? Yeah. Anyway, it's nice and cool today compared to yesterday where it was humid like crazy. Unexpected.
It wasn't actually. It was freezing until you were dancing and doing whatever you wanted.
Yeah, because I'm a party animal. Guzi, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling good now.
After a mojito will be even better.
Yeah.
Welcome to Poprawiny. Na zdrowie. Uj. Lumi's hungover, so she's out. Sangria. Looks like it's gonna rain. We're over there. How did you survive the wedding, bridesmaid?
Good. Well, I look the same.
A little bit more hungover, I think. Are you hungover? No. No? You didn't drink last night?
Yeah.
I'm hungover. How does it feel to finally be a wife?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah? Did he make you make breakfast?
He did make breakfast. No, he made breakfast. Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah.
Got him well trained. So you drank the vodka then?
No, he drank the vodka,
Anyway,
but he still knows his place. So.
Yeah, that's it.
Who's the better cook?
Yeah.
Married a strong Polish woman from Adelaide.
Yeah.
Anyway, congratulations again.
Thank you very much. Thanks for being there.
Yeah, no worries.
I hope you had a good time.
Great time. New Zealand. It's choice, bro.
We also, they'd never seen a wedding drink that much alcohol. They ran out of vodka by the end of the night.
We're doing the manliest thing possible. Drinking beer and eating wedding cake from the same plate.
Technically 3 parents.
Oh, Guzi.
Both parents had these.
Na zdrowie. Alright guys, we're having a New Zealand shot.
Oh, jeez. It's a shot. Thank you.
Sorry.
So what's this called again?
It's called a Snickers shot.
Snickers.
Yeah.
Right.
Thank you.
Like a deep fried Mars bar.
Snickers shot. Thanks, mate.
Poprawiny is about to go downhill. Let's get the zip ties out for fun is walking.
Wait, is this going on the vlog?
Oh yeah. Na zdrowie.
Nice driveway.
Nice driveway. Nice driveway. Oh, don't spill the Snickers. That's good. So out of Poprawiny, it's 8 o'clock. This is all that's left. Emma, Paweł, Iza, Paweł, Guzi, Paweł, Emma, Paweł.
Sorry, Tom was mowing the lawn.
Are you joining us?
No, there's one for each of you.
Yeah, where's yours?
Still in the bowl.
Whose idea was this?
Yours. Don't you remember?
One of the Pavels.
One of the it's Paweł's fault. Paweł's fault. Right, it's a New Zealand Snickers shot.
Okay.
It's a Snickers.
I'm not excited.
Nice try. Okay, jak się bawi, wesele. Na zdrowie.
French yellow cake on strawberry.
Thank you.
No, Frangelico Kahlua. So coffee liqueur, hazelnut liqueur, and cream. Yeah, it's like the nuttiness. There's a dash of salt on the top and like just a couple of grains. It's like peanuttiness.
Back to the motel now. More drinking. More partying. Matacana's awesome, huh?
Matacana's so good.
So surprising.
I mean, we've only seen like this stretch of it.
We have. This is the best. It's nice. Very nice. Mmm, fresh. Yes, adventure.
Yes.
Yes. Let's do it. We gotta see the sunset.
Yeah. I just want to see like a decent outlook over the area.
Yeah, me too.
And I'm hoping that this will just. Yeah, this is actually very nice.
Tell them, they don't believe me.
This is actually very nice.
Come on. Thank you, New Zealand. This is awesome. What do you reckon, Guzu?
Yeah, it's pretty good. Cheers, bro.
Yeah. Wow. This is an awesome sunset.
That's the sunset. This is the first place to see the sunset in the southern hemisphere.
Is it? Or are you just making that up?
It actually, I think it actually is.
Yeah.
I think it actually is.
Yeah.